Here's the deal. Supply chain security issues are all over your apps and you don't even know it. It's not just open source components. Everything from containers and Kubernetes to CI services and cloud native environments are all vulnerable to supply chain attacks. And if you work with the US government, it's now mandatory to secure your software supply chain, which is why we want to see you at BlackHat USA 2023 to take V45's course on attacking the application supply chain. Using a CTF style approach, we'll show you how to identify and exploit supply chain vulnerabilities with hands-on labs based on real security scenarios. You'll get to perform client and server-side attacks, explore supply chain stories, attack CI services, Trojanize containers, attack Kubernetes supply chains, and train in cloud-native supply chain security. And this year, we have some brand new content like attacks against Azure supply chains, Jenkins, and GitHub Actions, and even more hands-on labs for containers and Kubernetes supply chains. This course was sold out last year at BlackHat, so you better hurry up and get your seat now. Click the link in the description for more details and register today for the Attacking the Application Supply Chain course.